Here are the basics of pie charts in my 12-part series all about charts. Here we've got a list of our sales reps and their total sales for the year, and we want to show a pie chart to distinguish between what percentage of our sales came from our various sales reps. So let's select our data right here and click Insert, and then click down on this pie chart. You can see there's a few options here for 2D pie chart, 3D if you want to get really fancy, or a donut. We'll just select this first one right here. This is pretty standard, looks fairly even, which means that most of our salespeople are right around the same level, except for Jim and Dwight. Let's move this legend around a little bit. We'll come here to the chart design ribbon and click on the legend, and maybe we'll put that to the left right there. You could even move it just with your mouse if you didn't like where it defaulted to. Let's also add some data labels to this graph. You can right click and add data labels through this menu right here. You can also click on this plus button right here, this chart elements button, and data labels are already added, but you can see that you can toggle between different items. So we'll add data labels again. And you can even select where you want those data labels to be. While we're looking at some of these items right here, you can also select different styles or colors really quick in this menu. And you can even filter your chart. I showed in the last video how you can click the select data button to filter your chart. You can also do the same thing right here. So if you didn't want to have Andy and apply it, now it's going to show your pie chart, assuming that Andy didn't exist. We'll bring him back and apply that as well. And there are just a few other filter options in this section. So those are some quick buttons that you can use to change some aspects of your chart. I don't really like this dark text on the chart, so you can change that pretty easy. Even on the home tab of the ribbon, you can come in here and change the text right there. You could do the same thing on this format tab, just changing the text fill to whatever you want. And let's say that we don't want to show the total value. This defaults to the total revenue that each sales representative did. Let's say we wanted to show the percentages instead. So we can right click on that and format the data labels. And here you can see the various options that we have right here. Instead of the value, let's just show the percentage. You could show both, but let's just show the percentage by unchecking the value and checking the percentage button. You can also come down here to this number section and change the number type. We would want the percentage, and then we can specify how many decimal places we want to go to.